Hey guys, welcome to Mama's Studio. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 fun, inexpensive DIY activities using plasticine and coloured straws, which help to encourage children's fine motor development. Children definitely learn best through play, which is why these activities are so effective. So if you want to learn more, then please keep watching. For the first activity, you need to cut a whole bunch of straws into small sections like I'm doing here. This was actually quite tricky because the straws kept flicking everywhere as I was cutting them and Amelia had to run after them on the floor. Next, you need to put all your straws into a container. Then you need to mould some plasticine into a flat shape like I'm doing here. Then poke in some wooden skewers. You can use however many you like. Now your little one can start threading the chopped up straws onto the skewers. This actually takes a lot of concentration and a really steady hand, which is why this is perfect for developing fine motor skills. Not only is this a great learning activity, but it's a whole lot of fun too. For this next activity, you need to cut a handful of straws in half and put them into a container. Now you need to mould some tiny balls with plasticine like we're doing here. You now need to poke the straws into the plasticine balls and demonstrate to your little one how you can create objects using this method. Although Amelia had fun with this activity, the concept was quite difficult for her to grasp and it definitely took a lot of practice. This is definitely a great activity but might be more suited to a 5 or 6 year old. I made this house just to show Amelia some of the possibilities of this activity. For this next activity, you're going to flatten out some plasticine in a variety of colours like I'm doing here. Inside each circle, you're going to be writing the letters to your child's name, so you need to make sure you have enough circles for each letter. Once all the circles are laid out, you can talk about the colours with your little one.
Green and green.
Green and green. Which one's the light green and which one's the dark green?
That's the dark green and that's the light green.
Yeah. What's that colour?
Blue.
Yeah.
And that's purple.
It is.
That's red.
Yeah.
And that's pink.
That's pink. And in German? Tell me all the colours in German.
Yes. Dunkelgrün. Hellgrün.
Yeah.
Blau.
Yeah.
Lila. Rot.
Yeah.
Und rosa.
Good. Now using a wooden skewer, you need to write the letters to your child's name in each circle. This is a really great way to introduce letters to your child in a fun, playful way.
It's not the same, Mummy.
Yeah, a little bit the same. So can you say E,
E,
M,
M,
I,
L,
L,
F,
I,
I,
A.
A.
Yeah! And now using some chopped up straws, your little one can trace around the shape of each letter and you can talk about each letter with them as they go along. And there you have it, 3 fun, inexpensive activities you can do with small children at home which encourage fine motor skill development. Thank you so much for stopping by to Mama's Studio. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Facebook page. I'll see you again soon. Bye!